Experiencing issues with a Samsung USB connector repeatedly connecting and disconnecting can be frustrating. So, in order to fix that, ensure that the USB cable you are using is in good condition and not damaged. Try using a different USB cable to see if the issue persists. So, after that, restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix temporary glitches that may be causing the USB connection problem. Restart your Samsung device and see if the issue resolves. After that, change your USB settings. Ensure that the correct USB mode is selected based on what you are trying to do. If the problem persists after trying all these steps, then it may indicate a hardware issue. Contact Samsung support or visit an authorized service center for further assistance. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.